If you've been dreaming about building your first guitar, but for some reason you just can't quite get started. Maybe you've got some tone wood you collected sitting on the shelf. Maybe it's been there for months or even years. And if you're honest with yourself, it's not there just because it's seasoning. There's a good chance it's there because you just can't quite bring yourself to make that first cut. If that's where you are, you're not alone. I started building my first guitar in 1997. And even though that was a long time ago, I can still vividly remember how scary it was and how much resistance I had to overcome just to take the first steps. And to be totally honest, I wanted to start building it 2 years before that when I got my first guitar building book. But I listened to the negative voices, both externally and internally, and I lost those years. And after working with thousands of luthiers in the Luthier's Edge, I had a good sense that many people in the Luthier's Edge, and just many of us in general as guitar builders, or people who want to build guitars, are dealing with that same resistance. So to be sure, I asked a question: what are you really struggling with? And I expected 20 or 30 responses, but hundreds flooded my inbox. And they weren't just about tools and workshops. They were about fear, overthinking, and feeling stuck and frustrated before they ever even had a chance to get started. So I decided to try something different. Not another technical course, but a live workshop where we can work through all of that together. 4 sessions and a community of builders all stuck at the starting line. And what happened in those sessions was really special. Your first guitar doesn't need to be your masterpiece. It just needs to be your teacher. You don't need the most expensive tools or a fancy workshop or even decades of woodworking experience to do this. The most important thing is that you bring an open mind and the willingness to start. And if you bring that, I promise you, you will surprise yourself with what you're able to create. I'll see you in session 1.